I'm gonna show you guys my go-to curly hairstyle. No brushes needed. I'm just gonna use some creams and maybe a wax lotion just to smooth away any flyaways, but basically gather this half from ear to ear, leaving out my face frame section. And I'm gonna tie it up in a ponytail at the crown of my head. And what I'm gonna do is create an opening and flip that ponytail inward. That's gonna just give me a really voluminous ponytail here. And then I'll just stretch it out, puff it out, give it some volume. And now with these two front pieces, I'm going to basically pin them underneath that ponytail that I've just created. So using just two hairpins, I'm just gonna shove those in there. I'm not trying to be neat. The good thing about curly hair is it's really forgiving, so you could just do whatever you want and it just looks cool. I don't know. That's how I feel. I'm gonna gather all of this hair, twist it, and put it in a claw clip. And making sure I'm gathering everything. Then I'll just puff it out again, just creating more volume. And this is my go-to look in a pinch. I feel like it looks so cute. Oh, I'm just gonna smooth away my hairline with the brush, so I lied. I did use a brush, but nothing crazy. Such a cute style. You guys can add more product if you like, hairspray, anything to make it even bigger. But that's basically the style. Let me know if you like it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.